How to contact maps.me support. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact maps.me support. So the first step is to launch the application, then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some tabs which include search, browse, hub, favorites, more. So click on the more option. On the page displayed, ensure you select About Maps.me, which is located under OSM account. So on the About Maps.me account, scroll up and then you'll see the help option, which is found under Rate the app. Then by clicking on the help option, you'll be brought to the Contact Us page. So you have different options of getting help, of contacting the support by making use of the FAQ, map data, settings, etc. You can see them here. So just move to the top part of the screen. If you do not want to check out FAQs, that is frequently asked questions, you can just click on the Contact Us button by the top part of the screen here. Then you have to select the reason for contacting the support. Do you want to give a general feedback or do you want to report a bug? If you want to report an error, a mistake, a problem, select report a bug. But if you want to give general feedback, you can just select general feedback. And then by selecting report a bug, you'll be directed to use your Gmail account since you'll be sending an email to maps.me support. So you can just select any of the Google account that you use. Do you use Outlook or do you use normal Gmail? So you can just select that, type out your message, attach files or screenshots of your issues, and then wait for a response from maps.me. So this is basically it. This is how you can contact maps.me support. Thank you for watching and have a good day.